What's the meaning of corpulent? Corpulent. Corpulent.
Corpulent. Corpulent. Corpulent means excessively overweight or obese. It is used to describe a person who has an unhealthy amount of body fat, often resulting in a large and bulky appearance. This condition can lead to various health problems such as diabetes, heart disease, and joint pain. People who are corpulent may have difficulty engaging in physical activities and may experience low self-esteem and depression due to their appearance. A healthy diet and exercise regimen can help reduce corpulence and improve overall health.